Crossover represents a crucial step in our innovation strategy. With this product, we want to respond to the new market demands. In a world where hybrid work and flexible environments are becoming the norm, Crossover offers companies the ability to quickly adapt to the needs of employees and the spaces themselves, strengthening our position as an industry leader.
The genesis of the Crossover project was quite unique. Crossover, in fact, was created to provide a concrete solution to a specific need that we increasingly encountered in workplace design projects, namely, how to distribute electrical wiring within large open spaces. Therefore, our focus from the beginning was on developing a product with these technical features, but that also provided an answer from a design perspective. So we started with the basic element that would carry electrical current on this basic element. Then we conceived a whole series of additional functions, which would thus transform this system for carrying electricity into a system for furnishing spaces.
Once we clearly defined what the basic concept was, the challenge arose of how to actually materialize this concept. So we set out to create something that would be part of the DNA of our studio and the DNA of the company. In our DNA, there has always been the idea of seating, so it would serve a bit as a temporary seating function, which is a trend at this time, is quite prevalent in the development of offices. Another fundamental and important element we had to study was the intricate connection between the various basic elements that are part of the system. So we designed that connecting element between two basic elements in a very flexible way, which would allow for electrification and enable any type of configuration within a predefined area.
We wanted to engage a generation that experiences work differently than in the past. Today's young professionals seek environments that stimulate creativity and productivity without compromising on technology and sustainability. Crossover. It meets these needs, offering an attractive and functional design that perfectly aligns with the concept of a smart workplace.
A project like Crossover has never existed before. It is a project created to provide new and unique, innovative solutions to problems that were unresolved until now. This fact of essentially treading a path that no one has yet taken in the past represents a significant uncertainty for the designer because you don't know where this path will lead you.
Once the basic element, the basic easel was designed, we asked ourselves how we could expand the system with a series of elements that would be in harmony with the current office concept, with the office philosophy of today. So we thought about developing the system by creating high tables where quick discussions with colleagues could take place, or areas and zones where it would be possible to conduct training and have a media center or a whiteboard available, shelves where items could be placed, and thus the bookshelf were essential. Lastly, the planter was also created because greenery is an element that is increasingly assertively entering offices, because it is that element that transforms the office from a workplace to almost a place that reminds you of home.
Crossover brings with it the ability to completely transform spaces thanks to its modularity. It simplifies and facilitates changes in work environments without the need for an electrician or technician to intervene. All the technology is encapsulated within Crossover, so that even when modifying its structure, it maintains access to the electrification of the modules. This vision is what sets us apart and positions Steelbox at the forefront of the office sector.
Crossover is a green product in every aspect. Its sustainability mainly lies in the materials used and the production processes. In fact, it is made almost entirely of high-quality steel that is fully recyclable at the end of its life. Moreover, all production waste is recycled and reintroduced into the production processes, so nothing is wasted. But not only that, Crossover was conceived as a system where great flexibility and adaptability and reconfigurability over time extend its lifespan.
Working on the Crossover was a stimulating and rewarding experience. Bringing to life a product that essentially did not exist made the whole process very exciting. Every detail was studied to make the product robust and versatile, yet also aesthetically pleasing. It is a source of pride to know that our work will contribute to innovating workspaces